Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Come join me in another unboxing video. And today I'm unboxing this very beautiful package from Dior. As you would have seen on the thumbnail of this video, what I will be unboxing is the Dior Rouge Forever or Rouge Dior Forever. I've been searching for this color for a very long time and I finally found it. And this is the shade 558 Forever Grace. When I tested this at the store, I was so in love with it, but unfortunately it was out of stock. So I hunted down at the website when I came home and it finally came in the mail today. I love how Dior put their thoughts into even the smallest detail of their packaging. Even the samples came in this beautiful luxurious dust bag. So my purchase came with the standard number of samples. Of course, if you purchase this at the store, you may have the chance to get a few more extra samples. Now let's take a look at the star of this video. Here it is, the beautiful shade Forever Grace number 558. And from the bullet, it looks like dark pink. Let's take a closer look at the packaging. It's in matte black and it's really chic looking. The classic look of Dior. And now it's time for a swatch. And from the swatch, it looks similar to how the color looks on the bullet itself. It's quite accurate. And without further ado, let's see how it looks like on me. And I would love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time here and you share the same interest as me. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. And do follow me on my Instagram as well. Now this is a matte lipstick and it definitely doesn't feel as moist as expected. But stay tuned till the end where I will do an experiment on the transfer-free level of this lipstick as it claimed. If you have dry lips, I would recommend to layer this with a lip balm underneath. Now, although this lipstick doesn't feel as matte in the beginning when you first apply it, but after a few minutes, it does set to a drier or matte finish. And from this experiment, it is not 100% transfer free, but it does stay on for a good period of time. And I think it's really suitable for the trend nowadays where we wear masks so much. I know this is my ideal red because it's just right, not too much and not so much in your face. And it's very easy to wear. I can definitely see myself getting them in different colors. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Until I see you again in my next video, take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.